So how do I make my header sticky? Now for me to make my header sticky, I'll just come to additional CSS. I've already pasted the code here. I'll just copy, delete them. Oh sorry, let me copy out the code from one of my websites here, from the sample website. What I mean by sticky is when I scroll down so that my header will still be retaining. If you check this, if I scroll down, can you see the header is gone? So how did I achieve that? So let me copy. I actually made use of a CSS code to do that. So I'll just copy this, then let me come to your customization. Just scroll down, you see additional CSS, just click on it, then paste the code right here. So once I paste the code right here, if I can you see my header is what retaining, but I do not have a background color. How will I achieve that, the background color? Let's come back to our header builder. Now come to what, transparent header. Under my transparent header, enable on complete website. I'm enabling my transparent header on what, complete website. Now what I will do is come to design. Now under design, come to background overlay, choose any color of your choice. Can you see that I now have a what background color? So that's how you can what, put in a what, background color to your what, website, then just what, publish it. Now the last thing for us to do now is what, to add, if you check this website out, to add a what, live chat to our website. So to do that, just come to the back end of my website. I'll just come to the dashboard, to the admin panel of my website, then I'll just come to what, plugin, and I'll click on what, add new. I'll click on add new. So for me to add new, I'll just come to search here, just search TDO, TIDIO. So just search for what, TDO. So it's searching, can you see TDO what, live chat? And one thing about this live chat is you can reply them directly from your, you can download the app, let's install it. You can download the mobile app from your Play Store or what, Apple Store. Then what, you can what, reply your client directly from your what, mobile phone, or you can actually what, log into your account in their website, and you can what, reply directly from their what, website. So now TDO app is what, chat is what, activated. So just click on TDO chat here for TDO chat to be working on my website. So just put in your email address. So I'll just put in my email address. So I'll just put in my email address, then let's go. So you are setting it up, that's how you set it up. Then your site is already integrated with what, TDO app. All you need to do now is to select the TDO chat on the left, that will take you to your what, TDO what, panel. You can also what, open the panel by using the link below. So you have to what, open the what, panel. So now if I refresh my website, let me just go to my website over here, fewtech.com.ng. If I check my website, so it's not yet activated. Can you see it's activated already? Can you see now is what, activated? So how do I change all this that is what here? How do I what, change all this information that is there? So that's what we'll get to see now. So let's come back to our admin panel. So go to panel, click on go to panel. So you are moving right to their what, website. So now that's where we are going to what, set the remaining things up. So, or you can click on TDO chat also to go to their what, panel, to go to their website also. So let's see that. Panel is loading. Good. I'm now in their what, panel. So I'll just put in my name. just put in your name. Can you see few tech? Can you see it showing over here? Then you can change the theme color you want. Any theme color you want, you can actually change it. So they have lot of colors over here, so you can pick any one you want. Then English, then you click on continue, then scroll up. Then this is my website, my company size. I can just choose my company size. So anyone, how many operators do you want on this to work on this project? So it's only me, so I'll just choose one. Then country, just choosing your country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll just choose my country. So just scroll up to my country, then pick my country. So Nigeria. Let me scroll up to my country. So I'm trying to click on my country. So I'm trying to click on Paris in Nigeria, so I'll just click on it. Then this is my email address. Then what will you like to do? You want to have a customer service tool, you want to generate lead, you want a live chat, you want to increase sales, whatever, just a little survey. Then just tick this, then click on continue. Then your industry, what type of industry, anyone, just choose your industry, then continue. Then ask them if they would like to get, hello, would you like to take a closer look at our offer, or will you like to order a phone call, or just give them warmly idea. If you need any assistance, you can also change it later in your chatbot message. You can customize the message yourself, whatever message you want. Then you can just, hello, chat with our customer service. Then you can save. Then you can you see that the message has been changed. So if you click on this, if you go to your website and reload, if you go to your website and reload, I'm reloading my website. So what my TDO app comes up, can you see that? It's not yet taking effect. So just click on continue. So just click on continue. Please wait. So let's wait. Then you set in your password. So that whenever you want to reply, that's what you use. So I'll just put in my password here. Let me just retype my password. Then I'll just, my password has been changed. Then install the Studio app. So join the Studio app, start chat, first conversation app. So just join the Studio app So this is, once you log in, once you log in, so this should, let me just cancel this panel. So let me just come to my website and reload. I've been busy again. Let me just come to my website and reload. Then can you see everything has been changed? Welcome to our website, ask us anything. So if I just chat from this website and I send in anything, I don't think it's having effect too. So basically, once someone chats you on your website, then just come to your admin panel, click on TDO chat. Then to access your chat panel, please log in. So just log in with your email you input and the password you set. So just log in, so you can reply them from here. You can reply from here. So if you have any chat, it will come right here. So if you have any chat, meet your future customer visit, then all this, you can download their app and all that. so you can what do everything right there. So let me just, so that's how basically how to what you can set, go to visitors list, can you see? So and you can do whatever you want to what do, you can set up whatever you want to what set up. You can come to your profile, you can edit your profile, you can still add an operator, you can profile, you can edit your profile, you can put in a profile picture, whatever picture you put here will be showing right here. So you can what set up your, so that's basically how to what set up our what video app. And that's all for this what lesson on how to what create a what full responsive website. So I know this this particular video is in a mess. Yes, I actually created it in a mess way, but if you have any question, I will drop a way to communicate with me so that we what chat and we talk and we what rub minds together. So please if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and please drop a comment on how we can both what improve together, because I know I'm not a boss in this stuff, but you can drop a comment to what boost my morale. And if you have any idea you can share with me, or we can share together. You can also what drop a comment for us to what share idea together. See you in the next tutorial video.